Ladies and gentlemen, do you hear that? That's the surround sound of fashion.
Surround sound of fashion.
Hey, this is Yandy Phillips,
Wayne Warner,
Maya,
Tania White,
Derek J,
Lisa Ring,
Dr. Farrah Gray,
B.O.B. Bobby Ray.
J. Cole, Cole World,
Eva Marcel, and you're watching Surround Sound.
Surround Sound.
Surround Sound of Fashion, Chi-Town, keep it locked.
Our 92 presents Surround Sound of Fashion 2011. The next phase in fashion and entertainment. Elle Varner.
y'all hear me out there? Can you hear me, baby?
Models, designers, dance groups. Over 2,000 submissions, 12,000 votes to lead to the main event. With your participation, one male and one female model will have an opportunity to win an all-expense-paid trip to the Magic Trade Show in Las Vegas. Expense-paid trip to the Reggae Sumfest in Montego Bay, Jamaica.
I'm super excited.
Surround sound of fashion.